guys, so we're in Animal Hospital. My friend Jackson has the secret agent, and I have the head nurse.
Yeah, guys. I know we said that we wouldn't pay to win, but my mum said that she'd get me some Robux, so.
Same with me.
Now then, guys, look what this class starts with.
Shoot them, shoot them. There's a faster way.
No.
No, do it. There's a faster way to like skip every single like thing, like every single.
No, bro, it
in the
knocks
game.
down our hospital score.
Yeah, but then we put them in the bin, and then the doctor says like we.
I only have 20 shots, so I'm not wasting them.
Now, bro, when an anomaly shows up, and it's like if they have like the big mouth on, like, and if they see the gun, they literally become normal and just walk away. Bro, get out. It's my job.
I am the secret agent.
You're the useless agent.
Nah, bro, I'm good.
Yeah, you can shoot me, by the way.
Yeah, I know.
Shoot me.
Bro, now you'll die.
No, you only trip over. That's the thing.
F you.
Recovering.
There's someone in reception right now.
Bro, you're so useless, bro. Told you. It only takes away It only takes away 2% 2 sanity.
Yeah, and it takes away 2 from me as well, so. But hey, you made me tempted to do it, so.
Yeah, because you suck.
Wait, by the way, if you wanted the gun, you can buy the gun.
Yeah, but I'll have the same as I'll have only one shot. Wait, how much is it? Nah, bro.
Wait, but it's only single use.
It's 20. It's 20 bullets. Nah, bro, not worth it.
That's how many mine has, 20. I'm the secret agent. Nah, bro, is it just me or am I walking faster? Wait, let's try a race. I swear I'm going faster than usual.
Wait. Okay.
Let's race from here.
From here. From the wall.
Yeah.
All the way to room 5. 3, 2,
3,
1,
2,
go.
1.
You're not.
Am I faster?
You're not. But you are more gay though.
Nah, bro.
Nah, bro. Shoot every patient that there is, bro.
And I ain't wasted my bullets.
And then put them in the bin. Nah, it actually.
No!
Bro, it actually works though.
No, I'm not wasting my bullets.
Bro, that's what speedrunners do. Like, every speedrunner does it.
I killed that one because they're an anomaly.
I'll check the cameras.
I killed the anomaly. But remember, only close the shutters or tell me to shoot them once they stop walking. Because they all look at the cameras when they're first walking in.
No, they don't. They don't. They don't look at you.
Oh, they changed it. They used to.
Wait a minute.
Yeah, I only have 18 shots left.
Wait,
so.
I wanna check the camera. It's normal. I'm not gonna lie, this game is boring. So
There you go.
I might play something else.
Nah, it's better once you get more into it, like.
And I might play something else in like 5 minutes.
Hey, my God, the coffee dude's here.
5 minutes. 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 5 minutes
So I took 2 sips out the coffee. Bro, let me do it. Because I'm a secret agent. There we go. Got my
Yeah.
sanity.
Yeah, as well, because you're gay as well.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, I'm playing some else.
Why?
Bro, this is literally so boring.
No, it isn't once you get more into it.
I wasted Robux.
No, it gets better once you get further in. How many more patients do we have?
No, it
Is
doesn't
there any
get.
patients in the rooms?
No, it doesn't get better.
It does.
Shoot him.
Is it anomaly?
Yeah.
Dead. Okay, there's someone in the room.
How is he alive?
Yeah, they don't die in this game for some reason. Do you want to deal with the person in reception? I mean, in the room.
5 more minutes and I'm leaving.
No.
Yes, because this game's too boring. I might quit because of how boring this game is. And second of all, they don't even update the game.
That's because the update hasn't come out yet.
Canadian bruises. Bro, for bruises, you do not need a med kit. You need bandages for a bruise.
Why is this man asking for a med kit with that, bro?
For a bruise. Bro, you ain't like 2 years old. Wait, how do you know if this is not an anomaly?
Which one?
This guy.
Hey, by the way, do you know the rat dude, Rafu?
Yeah.
He can never be an anomaly.
Nice. Yeah, but that's a lie.
What?
That's a lie.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Before, when I got to like shift 5, I literally have Rafu, and he literally was like, he literally was an anomaly.
Must have been a glitch then.
And
Because he's not supposed to be an anomaly.
And I got a badge. I got a rare badge for getting attacked.
Hello there.
Because I got attacked by Rafu. I got a very rare badge.
Now, guess what?
What?
Last time I played this, I accidentally killed Rafu. And then he just never showed up for the rest of the game.
Wait, it doesn't say his name though. How do we know?
That's because he's a secret agent.
How do we know if he's actually like normal though?
Hey, the shop. I already have 100 and something.
Nah, bro, wait till I'll pay check.
I'll get the extra check-in window.
Soda.
Nah, bro. Oh, anomaly.
Wait. Let me give this guy his.
No, don't. I'll shoot him.
You can't kill him, bro.
Oh, man. Okay, I'll shoot the other guy.
I got 20 less sanity because he looked at me.
Ooh. Wait, I forgot to set the cameras on that guy.
You serious right now? Nah, bro, I ain't playing this. 3, 2, 1. I left.
Bruh. No, what? I'm gonna just go into full shoot mode.
That game's actually boring though.
Nah, it ain't.
Yes, it is. Bro, it literally says on the keyboard game that there's an admin abuse right now when there's meant to be an admin abuse on the 11th.
But the hell?
Wait, let me check because like, let me check if it's actually here or not. Bro, it's just a normal. Bro, there is no admin abuse here. But I got 50 million. I'm in World 2 and I have 50 million wins.
Ooh. Now, bro, do you think my avatar's good?
Yeah.
Hey.
I'm just going to join this.
Oh, you play Rivals?
Yeah.
I don't.
Have you tried it before?
Yeah.
Is it good? Is it bad?
Are you sure you've played it?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't like it.
Oh. How dare you? Yeah, I'm leaving.
Do you want to do some Bed Wars?
What about 99 Nights in Forest?
Sure.
Join me.
Yeah, loading in very laggily.
Wait a minute. How much are gems? I want to see the
know.
gems. Nah, bro. 250 gems for 900 Robux.
Oh my god.
Seriously? Nah, bro.
What? Nah, bro, that's a big fat scam.
I know. Bro, I literally want the survive 500 days. I got the determined 1. I need determined 2 though. Oh, Cyborg and the Gunslinger are in stock. But nah, I might actually save up for... Yeah. The Alien Scientist. Ooh! Alien Scientist is so OP. You get an alien shotgun, dissolve ray, and a ray gun.
Yep, it is OP.
Wait, they made Assassin cheaper?
Did they?
Yeah, it was from 600 to 500 now.
Ooh.
That's actually good. Because it's actually OP.
Bro, let's go into a game.
Yeah. Wait a minute. 2 Michael Jacksons?
I'm the black one.
Which one's the real one? The
Me,
Spider-Man.
because the other one has no face.
The Spider-Man meme.
I'm the real one because the other one has no face.
Wait, I think he's trying to type with you. But he probably has no chat.
Look at his face.
Bro, somebody has 1,700. Nah, bro, make a group of 3. He'll probably join. Yes! He joined! The team of Michael Jacksons.
And then one Tommy Dusty.
Yeah. And 1 emo.
Oh.
Nah, bro. He has the assassin class. He has probably like max level on it. Yep, he has max level on it.
Yeah, he's got ass. Because he loves ass. Hello, I'm Michael Jackson, he's Michael Croxon.
Bro, he's better than you, so he's the real Michael Jackson.
Nah, but my avatar's better.
Right, Michael Jackson's better though. Only if he had like face, then it would be better.
Yeah, because he's blind and he can't talk.
He probably has no chat, which is sad, bro. Bro, imagine you don't have chat, bro. That's so bad.
Or he might be on Roblox Kids.
No.
Yeah.
No, because you would be in a different group. You wouldn't be with us in this game because this game's for like not for kids like the Roblox Kids. It's only for Roblox Select and the other one.
A normal Roblox.
Yeah, bro.
I wish we were in there.
Yeah.
We used to be.
Yeah, we used to. Wait, I think he's meant to be like do you remember? Oh. Do you know something called like Demon Slayer or something like that?
Yep.
I think he's meant to be Muzan from Demon Slayer. That's
No,
right.
bro, he's a Michael Jackson.
Yeah, Muzan is a Michael Jackson as well. So yeah, bro's going for the kid straight away.
I'm Michael _Jackson.
He's the real Michael Jackson.
No.
Eh,
Nah, guess what my on-shape like username is?
What?
Michael is on crack, son.
Bro, you know that if a teacher sees it, you will get a detention.
Oh. I should probably change that, shouldn't I?
Yeah, obviously.
By the way, I'm friends with this one.
Nice. I'm going into the kid's cave to...
I literally just realised he's been in my friends list.
So that means you're friends with him.
Yeah.
And you didn't know.
No.
Let me just add him.
I'm friends with about 3 Michael Jacksons.
And that's the first one.
I'm also friends with Jafar Jackson.
Why are you friends with so much Michael Jacksons?
By the way, there's a bunny foot base if you still need one.
Yeah.
Do you want a bunny foot?
Yeah.
What about a bunny right testicle?
Oh, nice. Yummy.
What?
Yummy. I'm hungry for a rabbit.
What the hell is that other Michael Jackson doing?
He's probably exploring.
Yeah, the Michael Jacksons. Oh my god. I worship every Michael Jackson. Wait, why is he in the direction of the second kid?
He's trying to find the second kid, probably. Yeah.
Hey, he found a coal mine on the way.
Yep. I'm just.
No, he's nearly dead.
Who?
The other Michael Jackson.
How'd you know?
Because I'm with him. We're saving the second kid.
Oh. Bro, how are you guys doing this so fast?
I got an alpha wolf pelt. I'm dipping.
There's
yeah,
a golden
we
chest.
already did it.
There's a golden chest.
Oh, I'll go back then in a bit. After I trade with my pelt trader to get my good things.
I'm just
The
going
pelt trader gives me the good stuff.
Why is there revolver, rifle ammo in the toilet.
So someone ate some questionable stuff.
Someone that's really hungry, I can see. Somebody said, big back. Big back, big back.
I'm gonna head down and get this gold chest. Bro, this ain't no gold chest.
Well, at least it's
That
better
was
than
a silver rim.
At least it's better than nothing.
Yeah, I guess.
You greedy.
I have a giant sack already.
Nice.
No, a kid in my class was asking for the other kid's scrotum. Do you know what that is?
Hell no.
It's the bag that holds the balls.
What the fuck?
Wait, bro, I got a spare off a wolf pelt. Do you want one?
Yeah. Oh no, I better run. Or I'm dead.
Yeah, I'm going to the base with it.
Go, I need
Whilst
food.
being chased by them.
I need food.
You probably won't be able to use it.
Bro, come on. Bro, stop moving, you.
No, I'm the one who's nearly there.
I missed the guy with the pelt trader.
There's the elf wolf. I also got some metal chairs while I was out.
Nice.
Bro, you dropped your alpha wolf pelt.
Yeah, I did that on purpose, so...
Why didn't you want it?
No, I did it on purpose because my sack was full. Bro, what are you doing?
Getting the goods.
Bro, you
Victor, I got the goods.
Bro, you literally forgot about the compass and Bro, don't! Oh my god, you're so stupid.
What, bro? We need wood.
I'm the one with the lumberjack.
We needed wood.
Bro, you literally have no brain cells. So...
Okay, there we go. I planted back the saplings. Bro, that wood went hella fast. I literally just put the wood in and it insta disappeared. Victor, what's he doing on the map?
He's probably trying to find the
next kid.
Yeah. I'm going to the volcano biome.
That's where I am.
I need that lava red chest. Bro, what are you doing?
What do you mean?
Why are you trying to kill a mammoth?
Because they make good food, duh. And anyway, this one's an idiot and got stuck in the floor.
Bro, imagine getting Wait, I think somebody's like wanna bruh. I ate the ribs.
I got my own rib.
I ate one of the ribs, so yeah, you only have one rib.
That's fine.
Wait, you can do the rib thing, like in the crock pot?
No, that's only there when the Thanksgiving event is.
Yeah, but we can't get the Thanksgiving.
Yeah, so none of the recipes work like them. Well, I can handle mammoths on my own, bro. Oh, the other Michael Jackson's here now. Oh, damn, he killed that mammoth fast.
Well, he probably has something like the kunais.
Kunai.
Haven't you thought about it?
It's called the kunai.
Oh, you already killed them.
Yeah.
What did you get? Oh,
Oh,
cross.
I ain't using that.
Sacrifice totem.
If you want a crossbow, there's one right behind you.
Yeah. You can take the sacrifice totem. Let's sacrifice it to like the
Volcano.
Yeah. No, 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 no. Fire, bro. I'm dead.
I thought you were indestructible. Hey, I found a lava red chest. Victor, I have my last minute. Victor, come to me on the map. I'm gonna drop all of my items. I'm the dude killing in the lava biome.
Bro, you made me walk into fire, you Great.
Oh man, I was gonna give you my ray gun, but hey ho.
Bye. So, bye.